Hello beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my agidi at home. Agidi is a very simple recipe and you need just few ingredients to do this recipe. Of course you need water, and I have some cornstarch and salt and moi leaf. So if you cannot find this moi leaf, you can also use aluminum can to do it. So I have the opportunity to get this moi leaf. A friend brought it for me from Nigeria, so I decided to use it. But if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. You can use your aluminum foil paper or aluminum can. You can use any one of those. So guys, and I want to say a very big thank you for those that have already subscribed to my channel. God will bless you. And if this is your first time in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can use that to support me, to encourage me to make more videos. So please share this video, like my video, leave a comment, and let's be a one cooking family. So guys, now let's get started and see how we make our agidi at home. First, I just need to pour the cornstarch inside my pot. Then I'll add water. I'll mix it very well with this water. You just have to mix it very well so that there will not be lumps in there. I add more water. You can just make it not too light and not too thick. Then now I started to turn it. When you put it on your cooker, you need to turn it very fast so that there will not be lumps in there. You see, just be turning it very fast and mix it very well. So now I just add salt. If you don't like, don't add salt. The salt is optional, but I don't like agidi without salt. Then you also add some warm water. This warm water, I will use it to cook it very well so that it will cook very well. I'll just cover it for 5 minutes. Then you see, and stay together very well. You see the color has even changed. That shows that the agidi is well cooked. Then you stay together very well. So you see, it's so easy to make. The agidi is ready. It's not difficult, you see, so easy to make. So now I'll just wrap it in my leaf. Very simple to wrap, you see, just wrap it this way. So now this is the agidi. I'll just leave it to cool down. So guys, agidi is so easy to make, not difficult, very simple and so fast. So I want to say a very big thank you to you all guys that have been supporting me. God will bless you all, and please subscribe to my channel, subscribe and like my video, share to your friends, leave a comment. That is just the only way you guys just have to support me. There is no other way. It's just for you guys to subscribe to my channel and leave comments. Tell me how you know how you do your own. Maybe this is not the right way. You just leave your own ideas. Also leave it in the comment section so that I will know maybe I did it well or not. Understand, guys? So then maybe one of these days I will show you guys how they prepare Agidi Jollof. Also Agidi Jollof is so easy, just similar like this. You just need to add your stew. That is all. So guys, I want to say thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.